Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joanna, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I do my sublimation mugs, but this time I'm going to be showing you what design program I use to put my designs together, what print settings I use, and how I print with my Sawgrass printer. So to start off with, I'm going to show you here, this is the design that I put together. These are two separate PNGs, and I'm going to show you where I got each PNG from. So I did get them from a website called Creative Fabrica. I love Creative Fabrica. You will have access to a whole bunch of PNGs, SVGs. You'll have a whole bunch of fonts that you guys will have access to. I really love this Creative Fabrica, and I think it's completely worth it. If you do use my link that I will have in the description box below, you'll have 1 month full access for $1. You'll have access to all the resources I mentioned and more, and you will have no limits. There's commercial use allowed on all resources, and after that 1 month of $1, you will be renewed at $19. You can cancel it at any time, of course, but I think you guys should definitely take advantage of this. I think it's a great website, and it's way cheaper than buying your SVGs and stuff on Etsy. You can also find full mug wraps like this one. This is one of the Christmas ones. It says Jesus is the reason for the season, and it did come pre-sized, and it came in 11 ounce, 15 ounce, and I believe 12 ounce. There's so many great options on there, and I think you guys should definitely check it out. So what I did was I went on to Creative Fabrica. I looked up boho rainbows, and then I got this one, the pink one, because I am going to be putting it on this pink mug. This has a pink inside and a pink handle, so I think it goes perfectly with this mug. And then I also wanted it to say kindness matters, so I looked up kindness matter PNGs, and I loved this one. I think this one, it looks super cute, and then I put them here in InDesign. I personally use InDesign to print out and put together my designs because it's the program that I'm used to using. Once you learn how to use it, it's going to be easier for you. So the size that I put the image, this is an 11 ounce mug, and my image is 2.388 inches, and then the height is 3.46. If you have a different size mug, what I would suggest is you get your measuring tape, and then you want to make sure that you wrap it around to get your width. So I would say width would be about 8.5 inches here, 8.5 to about 9 inches if you're gonna get very close to the handle. My heat press doesn't go all the way to the handle, it only goes to about here, so I don't do my wraps all the way. I do want to change my heat press soon, but this is just what I have for now. And then to get your length, you'll just measure this way. So that's how I get my sizes. Personally, the size that I have here, it works perfect for me for my double-sided, and I have it all together here. Alright, so now I'm going to show you my print settings. One thing that I will say is that once you bring your images into InDesign, what you want to do is go over your image, right click, and press display performance, and you want to make sure that you have high quality display on your images. And then you also double click, and then you can do display performance again and click high quality display, and that way you will have the highest quality of your image. And then when you go to print it out, I'm going to show you. So you're going to click file, you're going to click print, and then your print preset will be custom. You want to make sure that your printer is selected, so mine is the Sawgrass Print Manager. And then what I do is I will go to advanced, and then under advanced you want to make sure you click high resolution, then click print, and then now it's going to bring you to your print manager. So under the print manager, you'll be on this page, and then on this page you want to make sure you have the correct printer selected. You want to make sure that you do collect the correct select the correct substrate. So my substrate is a ceramic mug. You gotta make sure your print quality is high quality. My paper, I put text print -R. My tray is tray 1. And then most importantly, you do realize here that I did not mirror my image here. So you want to make sure that when you're in your print settings on your print manager, you want to make sure that this is mirrored, because we are sublimating. You want to make sure your images are mirrored. So from here, you would just click print. I already have mine printed out, and then it'll send to your printer. So now what I will tell you is 2 mug wraps will fit on a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and then when you cut it up, it'll look like this. And then from there, what I do is I wrap it around my mug, and you want to make sure that you have the same amount of space on each side, so that you have the perfect placing on your coffee mug. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up my mug press, and then I'm going to bring you guys over so you guys can see me pressing the mug, and so you guys can see the finished product of the coffee mug, okay? Alright, so now I have my heat press already heated. I got this one from Heat Press Nation. I heated to 375, and then I believe it's for 180 seconds. I do wrap all of my mugs with parchment paper before placing it inside. And then I just slide it in, and then I close it. You want to make sure that you have a good pressure. There we go. You want to make sure you have a good pressure so that you won't get any ghosting or anything. So I'm just going to let that timer go down, and then I will show you guys the finished product. Alright, so now that our timer is at 0, I'm just gonna take this out, and then I'm going to show you guys over here really quickly. Alright, you guys, I'm so sorry I didn't film the unwrapping of the cup. My camera decided to die last minute, but this is the final product. This is the one side, and then this is the other side. It came out super cute. I really love this boho design, and it came out with really good quality. So if you guys do want to get some good quality PNGs, I would highly recommend checking out Creative Fabrica. I will leave my link in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!